Come on over.
Come on up.
Come see us.
Come on up. 8 weeks old and here she comes. Look at that head. Wow.
Hey, you. Hey, you.
Come on, little girl. Pretty impressive.
Push-ups.
You're a
1,
strong little girl.
2, 3.
Oh my gosh, look at her, Dad. She's really trying to move.
Come on.
She's trying to move. Trying to get over there to her daddy. Come on, Madison. You can do it, Madison. That's our girl.
What are you going for?
You can do it. I'm just going to take a break.
Keep trying.
Here I go. Ooh. Are you talking?
Tell him. Tell him how hard it is. Oh. E-Trade, baby.